Objections are often like icebergs. What you hear is only the tip. It's your questions that are going to help you discover what's really hidden beneath. In our video series, I've been taking you through a step-by-step process that Bob Berg and I share in our sales fair. I did it again. Sales Fairable. One more time.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.
In our sales parable, Streetwise to Saleswise, become objection-proof and beat the sales blues. We've talked in previous videos about controlling your own emotions. We've talked about the importance of empathizing with your prospect's concern. Today, I'm going to take you through the next step. It's where you dig a little bit deeper. You ask questions. You know, oftentimes when a prospect will voice an objection to you, they're not completely sure why they're not moving forward either. They just feel something's not right, and so they're not ready to commit. Your job is to actually ask questions to make sure that you understand the real issue. Because if you don't ask questions and make sure you see it from their perspective, you could give absolutely the perfect response to the totally wrong objection, and it wasn't really the issue at all. And I'll give you a prime example that Bob teaches when we're doing events together in this arena, and it is just wonderful at illustrating the point. He talks about a real estate agent who has a client who they're really sure is about to sign and make an offer on a house. And at the last minute, the wife says, well, I think maybe this is too far from town. But if you dig a little deeper, you might find out more. And the way you do that is just as simple. Well, you know, I understand how that could be a concern. Do you mind sharing a little bit more with me? I want to make sure that I understand that from your perspective, not just mine. What makes you feel like it's too far away? And in the example Bob uses, the person starts talking about the fact, well, we love to go to restaurants and movies, and we want to be close to health care, and now we're a good bit farther away. And it gives you that opportunity to find out what's really beneath. After you have asked those questions and you've dug a little deeper, take them off the hook. Take the pressure off of them. Just be honest and say, you know, while I've been fortunate enough to help many other clients who had similar issues, I realize that the solution I have may or may not be the right choice for you. Do you mind if we explore that just a little bit? But take them off the hook. That way they get more comfortable. When you give them that back door, they're more comfortable saying yes. If the bigger opening you create for them to say no, the less likely they are to take it. In our next video, I'm going to teach you how to isolate the issue and then reframe it so that they can see it from a different perspective. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.